Hey everyone, I've got a super easy and honestly kind of funny airdrop for you today. We're talking about Solflare. In the Solana ecosystem, Phantom is the giant, but Solflare, it is widely considered the second biggest and most popular wallet out there. It is a huge name. So they just dropped Telegram mini app. It is super simple. You do a few easy missions and you get rewarded. Here's how the reward breakdown. Every 2 weeks, you get free tokens for Sol, just airdropped straight into your wallet. No complicated stuff, just for playing around. Every month, there is a bigger raffle where you can score even more. Then they drop essential prizes, think Christmas giveaway, summer events, stuff like that. And my favorite, breakdown specials. When Solana's big conference hits, they go nuts with massive rewards. That is when you really want to be active. Okay, first head over to this Telegram bot. When you open it, you'll see your total points. And right here, this is your number of your tickets. The more tickets you have, the more you can play, which means your points are just gonna keep going up. Now, make sure you claim your first daily streak. If you just visit every day, your point will start snowballing. They increase way faster. And on top of the points, you also grab more tickets, and those tickets, they are super important. They are basically your golden ticket in this whole thing. Next up, you can actually play games. Right now, there are two simple ones. The first one costs 2 tickets to play. Honestly, this feels a lot like the balloon bots. You just click on these items and rack up more points. The second game is a Pac-Man style game. This one's my favorite. It costs 3 tickets, but fair warning, it is not active just yet. So for now, you can just head back to that other old school game and grind that out. Now it is time to complete our profile. So head over here and connect all these things. First, you need to connect your wallet. I've put the link to their official site and the description down below. This bot works great on Telegram desktop. That is my personal preference. But if you want to play the games, the mobile app version is actually better. Next up, connect your X and your Discord. This part is super easy, just a couple of clicks. And don't skip this part. After you connect your X or Discord, make sure you go back and confirm it in your browser. Now head over to the Earn section. This is where you'll find a bunch of simple tasks to grab more points. There are easy social tasks on X and Telegram, stuff like retweeting a post or following an account, standard airdrop stuff. You know how this works. Over here, you can track your ranking. Check out how many galactic points everywhere has. Seriously, look at the top people. How are they getting so many points? I don't know. I've done a ton of these Telegram airdrops. Sometimes the project itself was fair, but there were just so many people farming it that by the time the tokens get to you, the amount is. But look at this one. This is the second most famous wallet on Solana, and their user base for this app is still low right now. That, guys, is the golden opportunity. Less people farming means a bigger slice of the pie for us. Also, we have full playlist for Telegram airdrop bots. I just updated it and removed all the dead ones. Go check it out and feel free to use it. See you later.